have is this Power BI semantic model that's open in desktop, and we also want to open the same semantic model in tablet editor. So because it's open in desktop, we'll just open the local instance. And you can see right now in the invoices fact table, there is one partition. What we want to do is to create multiple partitions that reflect on multiple columns, not just date, but the additional dimensions as well. In your case, it might be regions, countries. What we're going to do is customers. So the easiest way to create the M code for the partitions is to go back to desktop. In transform data, we will go to the fact table, and then we will filter it. For instance, if we want to create partitions on billing date, we'll create a date filter and we'll do in between. Maybe you want to do monthly or like weekly, daily partitions, depending on what you have. You might have different partitioning strategy, but the idea is you will give it a range, and that's your partition range. So here we're going to create a single partition that's January from the year of 2020, but we also want additional dimensions. So we will do customers and then create a additional filter on this particular partition. So it will be customer number 3, and then the date will be the January of 2020, and that's a single partition. What we want to do is to go to advanced editor and then take this M code. We'll go back to tablet editor and then replace this. You can duplicate this partition. Now it's got the same definition, but you won't be able to have different partitions but with overlapping data, so you can give it a slight different range. So instead of customer number 3, we'll do customer number 5, and you can do again different partitions, but we can do 2021 instead. So this is how you create different partitions based on multiple columns within tablet editor.
Please like and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it.